study today? Are you happy?
Yes.
Can you say, I'm happy?
I'm happy.
Yes. Let's start our speaking test today. First, talking about family members. Who is this?
Daddy.
Good.
Mommy.
Very good.
Sister.
Very nice. Right?
Baba.
Yes.
Mommy.
Wow, good job, Num. Yay. Okay, can you tell me about school things? What is this here?
Can.
Nice.
Bag.
Good job. Excellent. Very good. Now we have some letters. Can you tell me letter A?
I.
Yes. So can you tell me what animal is this?
Elevator.
Bingo.
X.
X. Very good.
A.
Nicely.
Apple.
Wow. Good job. One more time. No. Can you say one more time? What is this? Up.
Apple.
Good job.
Elevator.
Good job. Good job.
A.
Nicely. What is this?
Book.
Very good.
Can.
Very good.
Bag.
Good job.
Baby.
Nicely.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Mommy.
Yes.
Sister.
Wow.
Lover.
Bingo. Nấm. Is this sister?
No.
Is this mommy?
No.
Is this a brother? Yes. Can you say brother?
Brother.
Yes. Okay. What is this here?
Bag.
Yes. Is it a book?
No.
Is it a chair?
No.
Is it a bag?
Red.
Yes. What color is it? Is it blue?
No.
Is it blue?
Red.
No, not blue. Is it pink?
No.
Is it red?
Red.
Yes, red. Say red bag.
Red.
Okay. What color is this chair?
Tail.
Yeah, it's a chair. Is it yellow chair? Not yellow. Is it red chair? Is it red? No. Is it green?
Green.
Yes. What is this? Book.
Book.
Is this yellow? Is yellow?
River.
Yes, very good. Good job, Num. You are very nice. Thank you, teacher. See you. Shake it.